shiny bright, keeps us healthy day and night. A banana, yellow, long and sweet, a perfect snack, such a tasty treat. Tummy mango, juicy summer's king, makes us dance and makes us sing. Orange round with tangy cheer, squeeze the juice, hooray it's here. Orange round with tangy cheer, squeeze the juice, hooray it's here. Grapes in bunches, purple and green, the yummiest fruit you've ever seen. Pineapple wears a spiky crown, tropical flavor, can't turn it down. Strawberry red with tiny seeds, sweet little fruit for all our needs. Watermelon big and cool, pink inside, it's summer's jewel. Papaya orange, soft and fine, good for tummy, feels divine. Cherry small with shiny glow, pop it once and off we go. Kiwi fuzzy brown outside, green inside, what's there to hide? Lemon sour, makes faces funny, but in lemonade, it's sweet like honey. Coconut white and cool inside, gives us energy pure and wide. Fruity friends from tree and vine, make us strong and feel so fine. Eat them daily one by one, healthy life is full of fun.